Guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this additional of the weekend edition Saturday, Sunday, January the 27th, 28th, 2024. It's actually today, Monday, and told you earlier Monday we have no extra puzzles, no additional. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in the additional. And I've already solved one puzzle in this additional, so two puzzles are left. The Jigsaw Sudoku Cipher Block. And this one, the Two Stars Sudoku number 7897. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. It's indicated with 2 stars. Usually a puzzle with 27 printed digits should be a 1 star. For 1 star, need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, if it's a 2 stars, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Question is this a 2 stars puzzle or a 1 star puzzle? We will see, so let's get started. Let me see, which number can I pick? We have a 4 and a 7 in this row. We have a 4 and a 7 in the row below. So last row, the only two places left for the 4 and 7 goes in those two boxes as appear. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column, those 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Can I do this the same there? Well, 9 in this row, 9 in the third row, so the row between. The second row, the only place left for 9 should be there. 4, 4. Okay. Then 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. 2, 2, 2. Come on. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the set column, the only place left 9 should be there. 8, 8. Need 8 there. Well, we have 4 missing numbers. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the third row, no 6 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 7 is missing. And 8 is missing. 4, 7, 8. These 3 missing numbers should be 4, 7, 8. Okay. So we have a 7 in one of those 3 boxes. In the third row, 7 in the second row. So the first row, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the middle column, low 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. I need a 7 here. Let me see. Need a 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left, and 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8, 8. Need a 1 here. And I need a 2. 2 and 8. Come on. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and a 5. We have a 2 and a 5 in this row, so no 2 and a 5 in these 3 boxes. 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 in the third column. 2 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the first row. No 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, 2. Okay. Need a 2 here. 2, 2, 2 there. Need a 2 here. Alright. Then need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. Yeah. Come on. These three missing numbers are 1 is missing, 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 1, 3, 6. 1, 6. That means these two boxes left in this row for numbers 1, 2, 3. The 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4, 4. Need a 3 here. Okay. Come on, come on. Need a 4 here. And I need a 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So that last column, the only two places left, the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the middle, no 1 there, 1 should be there. No 1 here, 1, 1, yeah. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 1. We have 1 in the second column, so no 1 in these two boxes. Here 1 in the first row, no 1 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. Need a 1, 1. Need a 1 here, 1 there, okay. Then 9 in the last row, 9 in that row, so the row between, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the last column, so the column between, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. We have all the 9s, yes. Then need a 5 here. Need a 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in these two boxes. We have 4 in the last column, no 4 in that box, so 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. 4, 7, 8. We have a 4 and a 7 in this column, so no 4 and a 7 in this box. 4 and a 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and a 7, 4 and 7. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 7 goes there, so 1 digit left should be the number 8. 8, 8, okay. Need a 3 here. Need a 7. Yeah, 7 in this column, 7 in the last column. So the column between. Only place left 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in the last column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and 3 goes there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only place level 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row. For numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place level 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the last column. For numbers 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes and there. Then let me see, 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes and there. Then 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Then 2 and 5. We have 2 missing numbers in the second row for numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 2 in this big square, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 6 and the 8. Okay, and now 2 missing numbers in the second row for numbers The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 6 goes there, so 1 that's left in this big square for the mark. The 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 8, 3, 4. Yeah, 3, 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, only place left the 4 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left 8 should be there. 1 box left in this column. 1, 3, 6. Well, we have a 1 and a 3 here, so this box should be a 6. So the 1 and the 3 are left. We have a 1 in this third column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Well, 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the man. 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and 6. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Wow. Well. Faster than 50 minutes. Well, should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 14 or 30 minutes. So, well, please with the time. Getting faster and faster. Or the publisher has a wrong indication. Yeah, wrong indication. Anyway, we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it all solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.